on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today we're going to be making 1 pan penne pasta. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of crushed tomato that have tomato puree in it, grated parmesan cheese, 2½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of chopped frozen spinach. You want to unthaw it and squeeze it dry. 4 cups of uncooked penne pasta, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1½ teaspoons of dried basil, 1½ teaspoons of oregano, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's optional, and you guys can be the judge of how much you want to add to your pasta, and 1 pound of ground beef. In a large heated pan, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion. We're going to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our pound of ground beef. Sorry about that. And we're just going to go ahead and break it down. Okay guys, you want to make sure that your ground beef is mixed well with your onions. Now guys, you can season your meat any way that you would like. I'm going to add some ground black pepper, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and a little bit of adobo all-purpose seasoning. Now you're going to make sure everything is well combined. And you're going to cook it until your ground beef is browned all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Once you drained all the excess grease, we're going to add in our minced garlic, our basil, oregano, parsley flakes, and also our red pepper flakes. And we're just going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. We're going to let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add in our spinach, our crushed tomatoes, also our chicken breast. We're going to mix it until it's well combined, and then you want to let it come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, you want to add in your penne. You want your heat to be on medium-low, and go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now you can go ahead and add your lid over top. You want to stir often, and we're going to keep cooking it for 12 to 15 minutes until your pasta is tender. Okay guys, once your pasta is done, I'm just going to give it another mix. You can go ahead and taste it. If you need to adjust any seasonings, you can do it now. I'm just going to add just a little bit of sugar. Remember, this is optional. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now we're going to take our shredded mozzarella cheese. You just want to place it over top. Once you're done, we're going to place our lid back over top of it. You turn off your heat, and all you want to do is let your cheese melt. Okay guys, look how delicious that looks. So now you can add a little bit of parsley flakes over top. With a little bit of grated parmesan cheese also. Okay guys, look at this. How delicious that is. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our one pan penne pasta. It's a very budget-friendly meal, and everyone will love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?